All right, it is now 6:05, tracking some very hopeful news this morning when it comes to the pandemic.
Yeah, that's right, Walt. COVID cases are down 50% across the country since the beginning of September.
California leads the nation in that decline in cases. Let's bring in ABC 10's Zach Fuentes now to talk more about the COVID trends that we're seeing right now, coast to coast. Zach?
That's right, Walt. It is great news for us here in California and really the country, but the CDC data shows that California is the only state in the country to have reached a moderate level of COVID-19 transmission. That is the second lowest tier on the list. If you look at this map, it gives you a good visual of just how that looks compared to the rest of the country. The map highlights the data from the CDC showing transmission rates in all 50 states and also Puerto Rico. You see California in the yellow there. We're the only state with moderate levels of transmission, but Puerto Rico, which of course is a U.S. territory, is also in the moderate level. And then the Northern Mariana Islands, which is also part of the U.S., are in the moderate level too. So in total, 44 states, jurisdictions, and territories remain in the high level of transmission, which is the worst you can get. 8 were below that in the substantial level. Now back here in California, here's a look at the case and death rates by the numbers. The 7-day case rate per 100,000 is 34.4. The 7-day death rate per 100,000 is 0.2. And though we're the only state in the moderate level, others appear to at least be on the right track. The next best state is Hawaii, followed by Connecticut, then the District of Columbia. Alaska has it the worst with 613.6 cases per 100,000. Now, of course, it is important to point out that even though transmission is lower than it has been in our state, the virus is still a serious threat, and county mask mandates and other guidelines are still in place, but we're doing a pretty good job right now.
Yeah, it looks good. Zach, thank you.